Hello student. So children, this is the second video of your chapter number 1. Children, in first video I have explained you about the business and the features of business and the activity category, that was economic and non-economic. Today, before we go forward, I just want to revise whatever we have done in the first video. So student, in the first video we have gone through with the concept of business, where I have informed you that business refers to those economic activity which involving the purchase, production or sale of goods and services with the motive of earning profit by satisfying human need in society. It means business क्या है? Business वो सारी economic activity where purchasing is involved, production is involved or selling or exchanging of goods and services are involved, but the motive is earning profit by satisfying human need in the society in a regular basis. That can be called as a business. I have told you that when whatever activities we used to do, it's divided into two parts: the activity economic and the non-economic activity. It has been explained you that economic activity are all those activity beyond which the objective is to earn money and to create wealth, but non-economic activity are those activity whose aim is not to earn money but to satisfy social, psychological, emotional need, for example love and sympathy. Like we have given the example also here for the economic activity, that people working in a factory, cooking food in restaurant, teacher teaching in a school, they all are going to get some money for that. So this will called a economic activity. But when a mother cook at home or a teacher train her own daughter at home, they are not going, their objective is not to earn money, so that will be called as a non-economic activity. Right? Now, next we have gone characteristics of business. We have already read. I'm just going to revise it once. Business features or business characteristics have economic activity. Business we are doing for earning money, so it is called as economic activity. Production or procurement of goods and services. Business always include either production of goods or procurement of goods and services from others. Sale of exchange of goods and services. If you are saying that it's a business, there will be always selling or exchanging of goods and services between seller and buyer only. So this is a very important feature of business. It deal in goods and services on a regular basis. I have given example also that if you are selling anything from your home today, but this is not on a regular basis, we will not tell it that this is a business. Wherever we are selling goods and services on a regular basis, that will be called as a business. Next feature of business was profit earning. Why we are doing business? We are doing business so that we can earn profit. Uncertainty of return. This is a very important feature of business, that whatever return means output or what we are going to get once we did the business, it's completely uncertain. The enterpriser or the owner of a business does not know is they are going to get profit or loss, or whether how much profit or loss they are going to get. So this is completely uncertainty of return. Element of risk. Whenever any business has been started, there is always an element of risk, because future is uncertain. You don't have any control over several factors which are outside or inside the business, or it's not in your control. So risk is always there. So these are the features of business. Now children, today we have to cover this, that is comparison of business, profession or employment. Now when I have told you about the economic activity, we have divided activity into 2 points. The first was economic activity and the second was non-economic activity. Then again, economic activity is those activity which main motive for doing those work is to earn money. So economic activities are again divided into 3 parts, that is called business, profession or employment. So these 3 are the part of economic activity whose main motive is to earn money. Now business examples are given there, like fishing, manufacturing goods, mining, producing of or selling of electronic goods, banking. These all are called as business. We are doing all those